Sairam students, welcome to the revision of chapter 3, that is addition and subtraction, right? So children, will start with the revision. So you all know that there are 4 operations in maths: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We have seen all these 4 operations. Okay, so now just a quickly we will revise what is addition. Addition means finding the total or sum by combining 2 or more numbers, right? So example what I have given, 5 plus 11 plus 3 is equal to how much? So 5 plus 11 is how much, children? 16, and 16 plus 3 is 19. So here we are adding 2 or more numbers, right? And what is subtraction? Subtraction means you are taking something away from a group or a number of things. So example, 65 minus 25. So 5 minus 5 is 0 and 6 minus 2 is 4. So you get the answer as 40. That means you are taking away 25 from 65, right? So now let's take some sums which will be based as per your examination paper, right? Choose the correct answer. So first one is 4591 plus 520 plus 89 is equal to dash, right? So like this the question will be asked, and again 3 options will be given. So 3 options are 2500, 5200 and 5020. So what you will do, you will calculate it in your book, right? You will find out the answer in the book and then do the calculation part, and then you will tick your right answer. So let's start. So first we'll arrange the 4-digit number 4591 plus, next is a 3-digit number 520. So 0, 2 and 5, right? You are starting your writing your numbers from your right hand side, and plus next is your 2-digit number, that is 89. So 9 in the units place, 8 in the tens place. So now let's carry out the addition. 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 9 is 10. So 0, 1 carried over. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 8 is 19. 19 plus 1 is 20. So 0 written, 2 carried over. 5 plus 5 is 10 and 10 plus 2 is 12. So written down 2, 1 carried over. 4 plus 1 is 5. So this way you will do the calculation in some rough book, and then what answer you have got? 5200. Now where is 5200 in this answer? This is your answer. So you will select 5200, right? So let's move to the next one. Choose the correct answer. Second one is 81,653 minus 25,317, right? And 3 options are given: 56,633, 65,633 and 56,336. Again you will do the calculation somewhere in your rough book. So we'll first arrange the numbers. 81,653. So I will write 81,653 minus, now it is 25,317. So again I'll start from the right hand side. 7, 1, 3, 5 and then 2, right? Now carry out the subtraction. 3 minus 7, 3 is not, we cannot subtract 3 from 7. So you are going to borrow 1 from the tens place. So this will become 13 and 5 will become 4. Now 13 minus 7 is how much, children? 6. And what is 4 minus 1? 4 minus 1 is 3. Sorry, 4 minus 1 is 3. Now what is the next digit? 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. Next digit is 1. So 1 minus 5, you cannot subtract 1 from 5. So you are going to borrow 1 from 8, right? So in the place of 8, it will become 7. And in the place of 1, it will become 11. So 11 minus 5 is how much? 6. So you will write down 6. And 7 minus 2 is how much? 5. So you got the answer as 56,336. So see in the option where it is 56,336. This is the answer. So you will select your answer as 56,336. Okay. So let's move to the next sum. The third sum is 2,73,119 plus 2,05,411 minus 1,16,340. So three options are 6,32,190. Second option is 3,26,190. And third option is 3,62,190. So first we'll carry out addition and then we'll carry out subtraction. So first we'll arrange the numbers. First one is what? 2,73,119, right? Now we'll arrange the next number, that is 2,05,411. So starting from your right hand side, 1, 1, 4, 5, 0 and then 2. So now let's carry out addition. 9 plus 1 is 10. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 plus 4 is 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. 7 plus 0 is 7. And 2 plus 2 is 4. Right? Now we'll subtract from 1,16,340. So 0, 4, 3, 6, 1 and 1. So now let's carry out subtraction. 0 minus 0 is 0. Now 3 minus 4 you cannot subtract. So you are going to borrow 1 from 5. Right? So 5 will become 4 and 3 will become 13. Now 13 minus 4 is 9. And 4 minus 3 is 1. 8 minus 6 is 2. 7 minus 1 is 6. And what is 4 minus 1? 3. So you got the answer as 3,62,190. So where is 3,62,190? It is here. So you will select this answer. Okay. So this is the way the questions will come. Okay. Now we'll have a look at the word problem. So word problems are also going to come. Okay. Solve the following. So what is the first question? There are 56,847 males and 32,257 females in a town. Find the total number of males and females in a town. So what are the options? 89,014, 89,104 and 98,104. Right? So here we will not write the statements. Right? We'll directly carry out what is required. Okay. So what I'll do? What is the question? 56,847 males are there and 32,257 females are there. Find the total number. Total number means you are going to carry out addition of male and the female numbers. Right? So always in the question you just see what is given. Total, sum, these all are means addition. Okay. So let's write down 56,847 plus what is the other number? 32,257. So 7, 5, 2, 2 and then 3. Okay. So now 7 plus 7 is how much? 14. 4, 1 carried over. 4 plus 5 is 9 and 9 plus 1 is 10. So 1 carried over. 8 plus 2 is 10 and 10 plus 1 is 11. 1 carried over. 6 plus 2 is 8 and 8 plus 1 is 9. 5 plus 3 is 8. So what answer you got? 89,104. So where is 89,104? It is here, right? So that is your answer, right? So all the calculation, children, you will be doing in a rough book. Now take the second example. Total amount collected for the flood affected people by two organizations were rupees 75,68,525. If one organization collected rupees 39,19,678, how many rupees did the other organization collect? So what is given in the question? Two organizations, they collected the amount of rupees 75,68,525, right? So now one organization, it collected how much rupees? It collected rupees 39,19,678, right? So we have to find out the other organization, it collected how much money. So first what we will do, what we are going to do, we are going to subtract, right? Because it has asked how many rupees did the other organization collect. So we'll start with the subtraction. First we'll arrange the numbers. What is there? 75,68,525 minus now 39,19,678. So we'll start from right hand side. 8, 7, 6, 9, 1, 9 and then 3, right? Now 5 minus 8, you cannot subtract, so you are going to borrow 1 from 2 and this 5 will become 15. What is 15 minus 8? 15 minus 8 is 7. Now 1 minus 7, again you cannot subtract 1 from 7. So you are going to borrow 1 from 5. So in the place of 5 it will become 4 and in the place of 1 it will become 11. So 11 minus 7 is 4. Now 4 minus 6. Again you cannot subtract 4 from 6. So you are going to borrow 1 from 8. So 8 will become 7 and 4 will become 14. Now 14 minus 6, it is 8. Now 7 minus 9, again you cannot subtract 7 from 9, so you are going to borrow 1 from 6. So in the place of 6 it will become 5 and in the place of 7 it will become 17. 17 minus 9 is 8. Now 5 minus 1 is 4. 5 minus 9, again you cannot subtract 5 from 9. So you are going to borrow 1 from 7. So in the place of 7 it will become 6 and in the place of 5 it will become 15. So 15 minus 9 is 6 and 6 minus 3 is 3. So you got the answer 36,48,847. So where is this answer? It's here. So you will select this answer as 36,48,847. So let's go to the third sum. Veena has to collect rupees 3,35,000 in 3 months. She collected rupees 1,45,020 in the first month and rupees 99,090 in the second month. How many rupees should she collect in the third month, right? So what's given in the word problem? Veena, she has to collect in 3 months how much money? Rupees 3,35,000. So in the first month how much she collected? 1,45,020 and in the second month she collected rupees 99,090, right? So you have to find out in the third month how much money she collected. So what we will do? First we will add first month amount and the second month amount, right? So that when we get that, we are going to minus from 3,35,000. So we will get the amount of the third month. So let's carry out addition first. So before that we'll arrange the numbers. 1,45,020, right? Plus, what is the second amount? 99,090. So start from your right hand side. 0, 9, 0, 9 and again 9. Now we'll do the addition. 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 9 is 11. So 1 written down, 1 carried over. So 0 plus 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. 5 plus 9 is 14. So 4 written down, 1 carried over. 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. So 4 written down, 1 carried over. 1 plus 1 is 2. So you got the answer as 2,44,110. Now you are going to do the subtraction. So what you will do? You will take the number 3,35,000 minus what we have got the first and second one, 2,44,110. So 0, 1, 1, 4, 4 and then 2, right? Now 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 1 you cannot subtract. So you are going to borrow 1 from the hundreds place. But in the hundreds place again it is 0, right? So you will borrow 1 from the thousands place, right? So in the thousands place it will become 4 and in the hundreds place it will become 10, right? Now you can borrow 1 from the hundreds place. So in the tens place it will become 10 and in the hundreds place it will become 9. Okay, so 10 minus 1 is 9 and 9 minus 1 is 8. 4 minus 4 is 0. 3 minus 4, again you cannot subtract 3 from 4. So you are going to borrow 1 from 3, right? So in the place of 3 it will become 2 and in the place of 3 it will become 13. So 13 minus 4 is 9 and 2 minus 2 is 0. So what answer you get? 90,890. So 90,890 is your answer. So where is it? Here. So 90,890, right? So in this way children, we will be solving the word problems, right, when you get for your exam. So I hope students you have understood what type of questions will come for addition and subtraction. Now it may come as true or false also. Okay. So in the next session we'll see about the next chapter revision. Okay, till then, goodbye.